Howdy, everybody. Brian here. We got a new problem in Europe happening. Reminder, new DVD just came out. You can come over to the quantlabs.net DVD/DVD, quantlabs.net/DVD for the details, $5. Okay, so if you want some books, you can always come over to the quantlabs.net/book. Now let's go down with this latest development going on over in Europe. All right, so Europe is really becoming messed up. I thought they were a lot more liberal than US, because the US has a lot of controls when it comes to forex trading. This is what I've always said about forex. Forex is becoming a useless asset class, especially at the retail level. I don't know why people are trading it. This new law is going to eventually kill it off. We know about the Australian was the last place for leverage for more than 30, 40. For a lot of people moved into Australia, but even the Australian regulators have shot a warning shot last summer about the leverage and having to take foreigners in Australia. This is the latest killer for Europe. Check this out. So I got a query. About a few days ago. I didn't know what he was talking about. Some new law about third-party execution using APIs with forex brokers in Europe. So this came about, and this was the official word. MFID rules taken effect December 16th last year. And if you read this really good, if you read this is unfortunate. On December 16th, Oanda is required to restrict API trade execution from third-party platforms for Euro clients, MotiveWave, TradingView, multi-charts, and so on. You may still use a third-party platform for trading analysis. However, you will no longer be able to execute trades on third-party platforms that execute trades via an API. Let that sink in, folks. So you're only able to use Oanda proprietary platforms, probably like FX Trade or MT4. So this is not specific to Oanda in Europe. This is specific across all forex brokers in Europe. Okay, all retail forex brokers, because of this new law. So they had to meet this starting 2018, and you will have to continue to trade with Oanda. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with. So the word on the street was from MotiveWave saying, yes, this is correct. They don't allow trade execution on platforms that aren't located in Europe. Does that mean platforms made in Europe, or platforms running with an IP outside of Europe, or platforms that are made or not recognized by the EU? This is pretty controlling, very, very draconian, if you ask me. You can still use MotiveWave with your account for data and charting, but you won't be able to place trades through MotiveWave. That is ridiculous. Okay. So as I said earlier, as I mentioned earlier, this is from MotiveWave again, that this is across all European forex brokers. That's what we were taking away from this. So the suggestion was tentatively, and I'm going to update this blog post, is maybe you could go to Europe, to the UK. LMAX, True Trade, they require a certain amount. They're good brokers for forex that support MetaTrader, but you will be hindered on what you can use by whatever third-party platform you want for API access. The other thing is, I had a customer ask me about forex with Oanda, and they could not find Oanda, the forex API for Python. I don't know if they've taken that away with the REST API. If anybody out there has any comments, let me know. Okay, so this is kind of an alert. So this becomes a problem, as you can imagine. So for those that are really caught up in this, the next question becomes, what will eventually be next? Okay, they're going to come after crypto, controlling it for tax evasion purposes, and they'll probably put some kind of block on how you can access broker or exchanges like Binance. When this is going to happen, for sure, crypto is going to be even more controlled later on in the year. It's just a matter of what will happen. So as it stands right now, forex, in my mind, is one of those asset classes I'm not a fan of, just because of what I've stated before. But just so you know, be forewarned on this. There are other solutions, but the question is, on those workarounds, how long will they last? So again, we're going to do a webinar. Maybe this might be a good topic on Monday coming up on talking about this. What are your other alternatives? Crypto for now is a place to be. For sure, I've shown videos on that. I'm investigating also stocks. There may be restrictions on that. Who knows? But stay tuned. And if you want, come back over to the blog here at quantlabs.net/blog. New law of Oanda Europe. New law of Oanda Europe, forex brokers cannot accept third-party API execution. That's what you're looking for in the blog. Wish I had better news, man, but that's just the way it is. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.